Okay guys, today I'm going outside. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to attempt to axe throw. Ooh. Forgot to mention, if I'm slipping and sliding around, it's because of that ice storm that I talked about yesterday. I slept in that fort, if you guys watched that live stream. My latest live stream. So, I had a good dark sleep. So, yeah. Watch out, that storm's coming in. I just heard the rain. Just a second, guys. I don't want you guys to freeze. Guys, I've got to go back in. That ice storm's coming in. It's overhead, guys. I'm freezing. I'm going to watch this, see if it freezes. Guys, look at this. This is like all slush. I want to watch it freeze. Wow. Okay, guys, ready? Let's try this. This tree. Just a second. This tree has a thing. That's weird. I'm joking. I don't care about that. Okay, guys, look at this. Ready? That's all ice I'm flaking off. That was just from about 10 seconds of it freeze raining. Right now I'm cutting the ice into little strips. There it is. Guys, I'm going in. It's the freezing rain has started. Freezing rain has started. Okay, that's pretty interesting. I got to watch as the ice froze on impact. That was cool. Mama! Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Ready? Here, let me get in some light. Okay, guys, signing off. Ryan.